how to zoom in and increase text size in Claude AI. In this video, we are going to see how to zoom in and increase the text size in the Claude AI application on your PC or laptop. If the text in Claude looks too small and is difficult to read, you can easily increase the size. First, open the Claude application on your computer. Then, click the three-line menu in the top left corner. From the menu, select View and then click Zoom In. You'll notice that the text and interface become larger. You can also use a keyboard shortcut to zoom in. Simply press Ctrl+ to increase the size. If you want to make the text smaller again, press Ctrl-. And that's how you can quickly zoom in and reduce the text size in the Claude AI application. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let me know in the comments if this worked for you. I'll see you in the next video.